They said my story was written, locked inside my genes. But there's so much more to me than the code beneath the seams. It's the food, it's the world, it's the life that I live. And it whispers to my cells in the signals that they give. So I don't wanna guess anymore. There's a map of me worth looking for. Read between my cells, there's a story only I can tell. One little strand and I finally see the best of who I'm meant to be. My epigenetics light the way. I can change them day by day. Read between my cells. Just a strand of my hair holds a world I never knew. Every toxin, every nutrient, every signal coming through. 90 days of small changes and I feel myself align. It was never about luck, it was knowing what was mine. No more running on empty, no more flying blind. When you finally understand, there's a better you to find. Read between my cells, there's a story only I can tell. One little strand and I finally see the best of who I'm meant to be. My epigenetics light the way. I can change them day by day. Oh, read between my cells. Like a pebble in the water, sending ripples out wide. Every choice that I'm making sends away from inside. My environment, my table, every step that I take. I'm the author of the wellness that my body will make. You were never just your genes, you're everything in between. Read between your cells, there's a story only you can tell. One little strand and you'll finally see the best of who you're meant to be. Your epigenetics light the way. You can change them starting today. Read between your cells. Cell-Wellbeing. Know yourself from the inside.